everyone, this is Heather Smith with Storyville Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new Ornament digital backgrounds. I have two of them on the website completely free, that one and this one, and I'm going to just walk you through it really quick. So for the one with 3 ornaments, I have this bokeh background, which is completely optional. If you don't want it, you can just go ahead and turn the eyeball off. I'm going to keep it on for this. And then we have ornament 1, 2, and 3. I've created clipping layers so you can easily just drag and drop your image into each one. So for the first ornament, just make sure that your insert image is selected. And I'm going to just grab my cute little elf there, pull it over, and there you go, completely done. You can also resize, make adjustments how you want. Yeah, super easy. Then go over to insert image 2. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Santa. There he is, looking all silly and cute. And then insert image 3. I'm going to come over to my other elf, drag and drop. So easy, guys, and that is it. And same with this one. You just come over here, and then you make sure that your insert image is selected. I'm just grabbing this one of my family really quick, and boom, again, you can resize up or down, and that is it. I hope you have a wonderful day. You can find this over at www.storyvillephotography.com. Thanks, bye guys.